Valentine's pop-up album tutorial part 4. Let's make this beautiful pop-up coffee mug. For this I'm just taking a piece of pattern paper and scoring it in equal lengths to make a hexagonal shape. Don't forget that we also need to get a hinge so that we can make it a closed shape. For the proper measurements you can read the captions down below. Do subscribe to my channel and just send me an email and I will send you the PDF file for the measurements of this beautiful album. Now I'm just folding these core lines and making a hinge at the bottom of the cup so that we can stick it on the base page. Now I'm making a pencil mark so that I can just decorate my cup by putting a golden glitter ribbon. You can do whatever you like to decorate your cup. I'm also gonna put some hearts on the sides of my cup. Now I'm just putting tape on the hinges to make it a closed shape. After this, we also need to put tape on the hinges of the bottom of the cup so that we can stick it to the base page. Remember that the hinges on the bottom of the cup has to be on the opposite side. So I have just made a blunder and I'm going to cut off the one of the edges, and I will just take a new piece of small cardstock and put tape on both the sides and attach it to the opposite side of this hinge as you can see in this video. Now to make the handles for the cup, I am taking the same pattern paper and drawing a handle appropriate to the size of my cup and then cutting it out. After this, I'll just take the cutout piece and make a mirror image on the same pattern paper so that I get two pieces of the same shape of handles. Once you're done with this, make a pencil mark on the base page. If you're taking the size of your hexagonal cup to be 1.5 inch, just make a mark of 1.5 inch from the folded line of your base page away, just as I'm doing right now in the video, and I will stick my one hinge on that pencil mark line, and then you can just follow along with the rest of the video. Also, for making the handles, I have made mirror images on the pattern paper, inked some edges, and then I'm just making some score lines so that it's easy to bend and stick to the side of the cup. Once we are done with this cup, we are just going to decorate the rest of our page. I'll be putting some photo booklets of different sizes so that it looks beautiful, and for the closure I'm using a belly band technique and sticking it with the help of velcro dots. Now I'm just making some arrangement on top of the belly band so that our whole arrangement looks beautiful, and our photo booklets are quite plain. This arrangement is giving a pop to the whole page. I hope you guys like this whole pop-up page. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such videos. Till then, happy crafting. I am Priyanka from Memory Keepers. See you. Bye.